So we are discussing the operation of op amp as filter. So as you can see, I have drawn two figures. These are the same figures, only the position of R and C are changed. So first we will talk about this figure. So you can see the negative feedback is there in both the figures. So let this be V naught. So this voltage is V naught because it is a short. So by virtual ground concept, this voltage will also be equal to V naught. So V naught is the voltage across the capacitor. V naught is the voltage across the capacitor at low frequency. At low frequency, the capacitor will be short circuit. At low frequency, the capacitor will be short circuit. So V naught will be equal to V in because no current flows into the terminals of the op amp. So at low frequencies this capacitor can be treated as open. So there is no connection here to ground. So V naught equal to V in. So means DC gain equal to 1 or the gain at low frequency equal to 1. At high frequency the capacitor will act as short circuit. At high frequency the capacitor will act as short circuit. So this will be the figure at high frequency. So at high frequency V naught equal to 0 because V naught is the voltage across the capacitor and capacitor is now shorted. So at low frequency V naught equal to V in. So DC gain is 1. At high frequency V naught equal to 0. So we have proved that this works like a low pass filter because low frequency is passed and high frequency is blocked. So it is working like a low pass filter and its cutoff frequency will be omega h. So the highest frequency that can be passed will be equal to 1 upon RC radian per second. Now come to this figure. Okay, so again this voltage will be equal to V naught and similarly by virtual ground concept this voltage will be V naught. So in this figure V naught or output voltage is the voltage across the resistor. Output voltage is the voltage across the resistor. So at low frequency again capacitor is open circuit. So V naught equal to 0 because there is no connection between input voltage and output voltage. So at low frequency V naught equal to 0. At high frequency the capacitor can be replaced by a short circuit. At high frequency or the infinite frequency the capacitor is short. So at high frequency V naught equal to V in. So the gain at high frequency is equal to 1. High frequency gain equal to 1. So you can see this works like a high pass filter. This works like a high pass filter. This is your low pass filter. This is your high pass filter. So the low frequency is totally blocked because at low frequency we have no output voltage and at high frequency V naught equal to V in. So this works like a high pass filter. Omega L equal to 1 upon RC radian per second. Okay, this is the cutoff frequency. Now I am making some changes in this figure. So I am adding two resistances. This is R2, this is R1. Okay, it is grounded. This is your V in. So now some changes are made. Now in this figure we have omega h will remain equal to 1 upon RC. There is no doubt about that. And this figure let this be the voltage of the inverting terminal. So V in is equal to V naught into this voltage is V in. Now this will not be V naught. So now in this figure, so this is the complete figure. So in this figure V naught V in or the voltage of the inverting terminal V in equal to V naught into R1 upon R1 plus R2 by voltage divider rule. Okay, by the voltage divider rule. So now this voltage is V in. Okay, so at low frequency, again at low frequency the capacitor will be open. At low frequency the capacitor will be open, so there is no current flow. So this is also let this voltage otherwise you will get confused. So I am making this voltage of the inverting terminal as VA. Okay, because I am denoting input voltage. So at low frequency the capacitor is open circuit, so at low frequency this will be V in. So input voltage will appear at the non-inverting terminal. So by virtual ground concept V in will be equal to VA. So V naught equal to VA. So at low frequency V naught equal to VA into R1 plus R2 upon R1, and VA is nothing but V in. VA is nothing but V in. So we can write V in here. So at low frequency the gain equal to R1 plus R2 upon R1, or 1 plus R2 upon R1, 1 plus R2 upon R1, where R2 is the feedback resistance. So the low frequency is passed with gain 1 plus R2 upon R1, and at high frequency the capacitor will be replaced by short circuit. At high frequency the capacitor will be replaced by short circuit. So this voltage now becomes 0 because it is connected to ground. So this voltage is also 0. Okay, so at high frequency this capacitor got short, so this voltage becomes 0. So this voltage will also be 0 by virtual ground concept. So if you apply this figure here, this formula here, this is 0. At high frequency this is 0. So it means V naught equal to 0 at high frequency. So in this circuit at low frequency the gain is 1 plus R2 upon R1, and at high frequency the output voltage is 0. So again it is working like a low pass filter. Again it is working like a low pass filter. Now if you want to write in terms of Laplace domain, so again we want to write the values in terms of the Laplace domain. So if we want to write in terms of the Laplace domain, then this voltage be VB, let this voltage be VB. So VB equal to V in input voltage into 1 upon SC upon R plus 1 upon SC. So this will be equal to V in upon RSC, or we can write SCR plus 1. Okay, this is VB. Okay, in terms of the Laplace domain. And again non-inverting voltage, the inverting voltage is VA. So VA equal to V naught into R2 upon R1 plus R2. So by virtual ground concept VA should be equal to VB. So we can write this should be equal to V in upon SCR plus 1. So V naught upon V in, V naught upon V in will be equal to 1 plus R2 upon R1 into 1 upon SCR plus 1. So this is the This is the voltage gain in terms of the Laplace domain. This is the voltage gain in terms of Laplace domain. This is R1. Okay. Say similarly, if in this figure we add two resistances, this is R2, this is R1. Again in this figure the DC gain will be equal to 1 plus R2 upon R1. Okay, so this is the designing of the filters using operational amplifier. So if we have this type of combination where R is connected with input and capacitor is grounded, then it is a low pass filter. And if it is this type of combination where capacitor is connected with input voltage and resistance is grounded, then high pass filter. So this is a low pass filter, this is high pass filter, and depending on, and these R1 and R2 will provide the value of gain. So thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. And if you have any doubt, you can post your doubt in the comment box. In the next video, I will make some video on numericals based on this concept which we have discussed in this video. Thank you.